If you're passionate about books and love sharing your thoughts about them, starting a book blog is a rewarding endeavor. It provides a platform to connect with fellow book lovers, influence others' reading choices, and even build a community of bibliophiles who appreciate your insights. But how do you start a book blog and make it thrive? This video will walk you through every step of the process, from choosing your niche to growing your audience. 1. Understand the purpose of your book blog. Before you dive into blogging, take some time to define your purpose. What do you want to achieve with your blog? Common goals include sharing your book reviews, provide detailed, honest opinions about books you've read, discussing literary trends, analyze trends in publishing or genres, helping readers discover new books, create lists of recommendations or hidden gems, connecting with other readers and writers, build relationships in the literary world, establishing authority as a book critic or writer. Use your blog to showcase your analytical and writing skills. Having a clear purpose will help you stay focused and give your readers a reason to keep coming back. 2. Choose a niche. The book blogging world is vast, so finding your niche will set you apart. While some bloggers review all genres, narrowing your focus can make your blog more appealing to specific readers. Examples of niches include genre-specific blogs, focus on romance, fantasy, thrillers, young adult (YA), or nonfiction. Target audience, cater to parents looking for children's books, students seeking classics, or fans of a particular author. Thematic blogs, highlight feminist literature, diverse authors, or eco-friendly publishing. Unique angles, combine book reviews with travel blogging, film comparisons, or personal stories. By honing in on a niche, you can build a loyal audience that knows exactly what to expect from your content. 3. Pick a memorable blog name. Your blog name is the first impression readers will have, so it should reflect your personality and niche. Here are some tips for crafting a great name. Keep it simple. Avoid long or complicated names. Make it relevant. Include words related to books, reading, or your niche. Be creative. Use puns, literary references, or wordplay. Check availability. Ensure the domain name and social media handles are free. Examples: Chapter Chats, The Book Wanderer, Prose and Pages, Thrill Reads Only. 4. Choose a blogging platform. Selecting the right platform is crucial for creating and managing your blog. Popular choices include WordPress.org offers extensive customization and scalability, though it requires a hosting service. WordPress.com, a more beginner-friendly version with fewer features. Wix or Squarespace, easy-to-use drag-and-drop options for designing your blog. Blogger, free and straightforward but less modern. For serious bloggers, WordPress.org is often the best option due to its flexibility and control over design and monetization. 5. Set up your blog. Once you've chosen a platform, follow these steps to set up your blog. 1. Get a domain name. Choose a domain that matches your blog name for consistency. 2. Select a hosting service. If you're using WordPress.org, popular hosting providers include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. 3. Install WordPress or your chosen platform. Most hosting providers offer easy installation tools. 4. Design your site. Use a clean, user-friendly theme. Customize colors, fonts, and layouts to reflect your branding. 5. Add essential pages. Create an About a page to introduce yourself, a contact page for inquiries, and a review policy page if you'll accept review requests. 6. Plan your content. Successful book blogs rely on consistent, engaging content. Here are some ideas to inspire you. Book reviews. Write thoughtful analyses of books, highlighting strengths and weaknesses. Include a star rating if applicable. Reading lists. Share themed lists like Best Summer Beach Reads or Top 10 Fantasy Novels of All Time. Author spotlights. Profile your favorite authors or interview emerging ones. Book comparisons. Compare adaptations or books with similar themes. Discussion posts. Dive into topics like, is book talk changing the publishing industry, or the rise of audiobooks? Behind-the-scenes posts. Share your writing or blogging process, favorite bookstores, or how you organize your bookshelves. 7. Write great book reviews. Book reviews are the backbone of most book blogs. To write compelling reviews. 1. Summarize briefly. Provide a spoiler-free synopsis to give readers context. 2. Share your opinion. Highlight what you loved or didn't about the book. 3. Discuss themes. Dive into deeper meanings or societal implications. 4. Mention the writing style. Describe whether the prose is lyrical, straightforward, or dense. 5. Be honest and respectful. Critique thoughtfully without disparaging the author. Example review format. Title and author. Genre and rating. Synopsis. Review, pros, cons, and standout moments. Conclusion. 8. Optimize for search engines, SEO. To attract more readers, optimize your blog for search engines. Basic SEO tips include: use keywords. Incorporate relevant terms like book review, top thriller novels, or YA fantasy recommendations. Write engaging titles. Use attention-grabbing headlines like 10 must-read mystery novels of 2024. Add meta descriptions. Include a concise, keyword-rich summary for search engines. Include internal and external links. Link to your other posts and reputable sources. Use alt text for images. Describe images in a way that enhances accessibility and SEO. 9. Promote your blog. Creating great content is just the beginning to grow your audience. Social media. Share your posts on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok. Engage with bookish communities using hashtags like #bookbloggers or #mreading. Goodreads. Link your blog to your Goodreads profile and participate in discussions. Collaborate. Partner with other bloggers for guest posts, blog tours, or readathons. Newsletter. Build an email list to send updates, exclusive content, or reading challenges. Networking. Attend book fairs, author signings, and literary events to connect with publishers and readers. 10. Monetize your blog. Once your blog gains traction, you can explore monetization options, such as affiliate marketing, earn commissions by linking to books on Amazon or bookshop.org. Sponsored posts. Partner with publishers, authors, or brands for paid collaborations. Ad revenue. Use Google AdSense or Mediavine to display ads on your site. Sell products. Create merchandise like bookmarks, journals, or custom book covers. Offer services. Provide editing, beta reading, or book marketing services.
Hi and welcome in our channel Alive Inc. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for our future videos, and thank you very much in advance.
11. Engage with your audience. Building a community is key to a successful blog. Foster engagement by replying to comments, show readers that you value their opinions, hosting events, organize virtual book clubs, giveaways, or reading challenges, asking questions, and posts with discussion prompts to encourage interaction. 12. Stay consistent. Consistency is crucial for maintaining momentum. Create an editorial calendar to plan your posts and stick to a realistic schedule. Whether you publish weekly or bi-weekly, consistent updates will keep your audience engaged. 13. Overcome challenges. Every book blogger faces challenges like writer's block or dwindling motivation. To stay inspired, read widely, explore new genres, authors, or formats like audiobooks. Follow other bloggers, gain inspiration from the book blogging community. Remember your purpose. Reflect on why you started blogging to reignite your passion. 14. Analyze and improve. Use analytics tools to track your blog's performance. Pay attention to metrics like page views and traffic sources. See where your readers are coming from. Popular posts. Identify which topics resonate most. Engagement rates. Monitor comments, shares, and likes. Use this data to refine your strategy and focus on what works best. 15. Celebrate your success. Whether you've reached 100 followers or posted your 50th review, celebrate milestones. Blogging is a labor of love, and acknowledging your progress will keep you motivated. Conclusion. Starting a book blog is more than just a creative outlet. It's a dynamic way to share your passion for literature with the world, foster meaningful connections, and contribute to the broader literary community. Whether you're drawn to reviewing books, diving into literary discussions, or spotlighting your favorite authors, your blog can become a vibrant space where your voice resonates with fellow readers and writers alike. The journey of blogging begins with identifying your niche, a unique corner of the bookish universe where your interests and expertise shine. By dedicating time to crafting valuable content that informs, entertains, and inspires, you lay the foundation for a platform that speaks directly to your audience. Over time, your posts, from heartfelt reviews to engaging reading lists, can shape reading habits, introduce new perspectives, and even spark lively conversations within the literary world. As you grow your blog, your commitment to connecting with your audience becomes the heart of its success. Engaging with readers through comments, social media, and collaborative events creates a sense of community, transforming casual visitors into loyal supporters. With patience and persistence, your blog can evolve into a cherished resource for readers seeking thoughtful recommendations, relatable insights, and a shared love of books. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, creativity, and a genuine passion for storytelling, your book blog can become a cornerstone of your literary journey. It has the potential to inspire countless readers, foster a love for books and others, and even open doors to exciting opportunities, from collaborations with publishers to author interviews. Remember, your book blog is a reflection of your unique perspective and love for the written word. Embrace the process, celebrate your milestones, and don't be afraid to experiment and grow. The literary community thrives on diverse voices, and your blog has the power to add a meaningful one to the mix. So, pick up your pen or keyboard, immerse yourself in the world of blogging, and embark on this rewarding adventure. With every post, you're not just sharing your thoughts, you're building connections, creating impact, and leaving your mark on the world of literature. Happy blogging! Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you all in the next video.